Here is my Rube Goldberg machine. It starts out with this toy truck that has gravitational potential energy, and as it is released and goes down this inclined plane, it converts that to kinetic energy. It then bumps this blue lever, which is holding back this pullback car that has potential energy. And as the blue lever is bumped, it sends the pullback car down this track and hits this glue bottle that acts as a pendulum because I have it suspended to this bar. Now, once the car bumps the glue bottle, the kinetic energy from the car is converted into sound energy because the pendulum, if it were not for the DVD cases in the way, would create a transverse wave with its simple harmonic motion. Now, the amplitude of this pendulum is equal to the distance between where it's suspended now and the bar, which it would be at equilibrium if it were to stop swinging. Okay, so the pendulum swinging converts sound energy back to kinetic energy as it hits these dominoes made out of DVD cases. Now, this last DVD case has a screw attached to it that will fall over and pop this balloon. As you can see on top of this balloon, I have a marble waiting on this track. This marble has potential energy due to gravity. And as the balloon pops, the track falls, converting this potential energy to kinetic energy as the marble rolls down this track and bumps this Lego contraption that I've made. Now, this Lego contraption has rotational potential energy because this middle Lego is allowed to rotate on the axis that I've created with this skewer. So once it is bumped, its rotational potential energy is converted to rotational kinetic energy as it rides down these strings. Now, at the bottom of the strings is a funnel that has a marble resting on it. This marble has gravitational potential energy, and as it is bumped, it converts to converts to kinetic energy as it goes down the funnel and down this marble track onto this other track and rides all the way down till this contraption. Now, this is a mouse trap that is set, so it has potential energy. Once the marble trips it, there is a string tied to the part of the trap that will fly backward. Now, the string is also attached, or it's holding down this end of the mallet, which is also holding this end of the mallet up. So once the mouse trap trips, its potential energy converts to kinetic energy, but the potential energy of the mallet converts to kinetic energy as well because the string pulls off the mallet, allowing it to fall. Now, its kinetic energy converts to electrical energy because it turns on the power strip, allowing electrical current to flow through the power strip to the core and eventually to my Christmas tree, where the lights will turn on. Now, for calculations for this project, I used the potential energy equation, PE equals mgh. I measured height of necessary areas and also, got the weight of necessary objects so that way I could figure out my potential energy. I also figured out my total energy and kinetic energy and then used the kinetic energy equation to figure out velocity. And then once I had velocity, I used the acceleration equation, A equals change in velocity over change in time. And since I had timed several areas of the track, I was able to easily find my acceleration as well. Anyways, okay, well, that is all I have for you guys. Let's see if it works. It worked!